Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek. Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time to the channel, thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out today. Today is the first day of the brand new RIVA Racing Sponsons on this ski right here. Can you tell? They are on there. I'll put a link in the description so you can see the installment that I did just recently to get these RIVA Racing Sponsons on. And today is the first day. I've been waiting to get out in the water and try these things forever, ever, and ever. And finally, they're on today. All right, and so also in this video today, not only are we gonna work the RIVA Sponsons for the first time, but we're gonna take this 230 as fast as it can go, and I'm gonna put a little speedometer here in the corner somewhere so you guys can actually see it. Did you see that? That was very cool. One of you subscribers, thank you so much, had put a comment and said, hey, it would be nice if we saw the actual speed other than, you know, looking at the display on the Sea-Doo or me just saying it. It would be good to have it on there, which I had no clue how to do it. So I actually had to honestly tell you, I had to look it up and figure out how to do it. But I did it. So I turned on the GPS on the GoPro. So we're gonna do some speed tests today as well too. So now you guys can be involved in actually seeing how fast we're going. So let's speed around a little bit and we'll go from there. Woo! Wow, RIVA Sponsons, tight turn, there we go. Did you feel that? All right, I hope I caught what I caught. Did you guys see what I thought I caught and caught what you thought you saw? That was awesome, very cool. Huge difference when I first got out this morning, as again, it's my first ride on my ski, finally, with the RIVA Sponsons. It feels really good. I already know what they feel like because I tested them out on PJ Ski. Again, if you're new to the channel, we've been doing this Sponsons project and just testing out sponsons between PJ's same exact ski as mine and mine without the RIVA Sponsons. So PJ's got the sponsons on, my RIVA Pro, and I've got the Sea-Doo stock. All right, we're gonna go out into the deep blue, go ride around there a little bit, and we're gonna come back and we'll do some test runs for speed. We'll work our way up to see how fast we go, and then we'll do another one as well. All right, here we go. We are going out and around that way, which is where Camp Pendleton is. So let's go. All right, guys, so just before I head out of the harbor, right here, check it out, right here. Okay, so that's the jetty right there. What is going to be something we're gonna do, and you gotta stick around. That's why I say subscribe to the channel. You know, I and many of us have been to Catalina Island, which is about a 38-mile one-way ride from Dana Point. Well, Oceanside Harbor is much further south, and this is where we are gonna launch out from right here, and we are gonna go diagonal all the way out over that way. And so that right there, I mapped it out. I don't remember what it is. I think it's 50 something miles one way. I'll put it right here and I'll research it. I'll put it right here. So we are going to be taking off from Oceanside Harbor soon, and very soon, all the way to Catalina Island. And we'll be having the super rack on there as well too. We'll be loaded up with gas for sure. And then so hang tight as we go back inside the harbor right over here. We're going to do some speed tests with the RIVA Racing Sponsons. So back to the action. So now I'm out in the ocean by Camp Pendleton, and I'm gonna go ahead and give us a quick zoom run here, just around in circles and all that kind of stuff. And let's see how the RIVA Sponsons feel. Woo! Woo! I can definitely feel the bite. They're biting the water. Woo! Wow, that was fun. All right, so we're gonna do a quick straight line back to the harbor. Once we get back inside the harbor, we'll do some speed testing, but we'll do some right here, right now, because we are contending with just a little bit of extra wind out here, which is good. And we're contending with a little bit of extra small swells. So, but that's swell with me if it's swell with you. That was corny, sorry. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So we're back in the harbor now, and we're gonna put this 230 to a speed test. I know it can go 65. I've actually pulled 68 inside the harbor here at one time, but we did not have the speedometer on there, so it's kind of like I caught a fish this big and I almost had it, right? It never happened. So we're gonna see if we can catch the speed today for you guys. Just gonna put it in regular mode, and just we'll climb our way up to whatever we're gonna climb up to. I don't know. I better back up because I don't know if I have enough water to get up to 65 miles an hour. Here we go. Try number 2 test here. Here we go. That was pretty fun. So those sponsons really just keep me in that straight line. I do have to say though, check this out. What I do not have, not yet on my ski, is the RIVA intake grate. So I don't have that yet. And when I've noticed when I tested out PJ's ski with the sponsons and the RIVA intake grate, huge difference between the two skis. I'll put all that in the description down below, comparing stock ski versus fully loaded intake grate and RIVA Sponsons. So, all right guys, we're gonna call it a day right here in Oceanside in the harbor. And thanks for joining the video today, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications, because we're gonna be doing some really long range trips right out of Oceanside Harbor here. And it's gonna be an amazing channel. It's gonna be an amazing year. Great content coming your way. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, so every time I load up a video, well, you'll get notified. You know how it works, right? Make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.